How to download Minecraft on PC and laptop Java edition. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step that how you can download Minecraft on PC and laptop the Java edition. So first you have to head over to your Chrome browser on your PC or laptop, and then you have to search for Minecraft. And once you search for Minecraft, it's going to open this website for you. Now you can see I have this official Minecraft website over here, and you can see the download section right here. Simply right click on the download section and click open link in new tab. And here you can see you have this download launcher for Windows 10 or 11. And if you see closely, you can see you can install Minecraft launcher through the Microsoft Store as well. So we get an option at the Microsoft Store to install the Minecraft launcher. So I'm going to head over to my Microsoft Store over here. And once I'm on my Microsoft Store, I'm going to search for Minecraft. And now once I search for it, you can see I have this Minecraft, Java, and Bedrock edition for PC. Simply click it. And now once you click this option, it's going to open the Minecraft, Java, and Bedrock edition for PC. Now you can see this is the edition, the Java edition. You simply have this option buy for $29.99 and you have to click this option. Now simply log in into your Microsoft account and pay the bill, and then you can simply get the Java edition of Minecraft, and that's how you do it.